Question number 1. Red blood cells are also known as. Correct answer is option C. Erythrocytes. Question number 2. Blood makes up approximately what percentage of body weight? Correct answer is option B. 7%. Question number 3. The main component of hemoglobin is. Correct answer is option A. Iron. Question number 4. Which organ is responsible for the production of erythropoietin? Correct answer is option D. Kidney. Question number 5. The normal lifespan of red blood cell is approximately. Correct answer is option C. 120 days. Question number 6. Which blood cell are responsible for immunity? Correct answer is option C. Leukocytes. Question number 7. Blood is classified as a. Correct answer is option B. Connective tissue. Question number 8. The liquid component of blood is called. Correct answer is option B. Plasma. Question number 9. Which blood cells are responsible for clotting? Correct answer is option A. Platelets. Question number 10. What is the average volume of blood in an adult human? Correct answer is option B. 5 liters. Question number 11. The protein responsible for oxygen transport in blood is. Correct answer is option D. Hemoglobin. Question number 12. Which blood group is considered the universal donor? Correct answer is option C. O negative. Question number 13. White blood cells are also called. Correct answer is option C. Leukocytes. Question number 14. The pH of human blood is. Correct answer is option B. 7.4. Question number 15. The condition of low hemoglobin in blood is called. Correct answer is option D. Anemia. Question number 16. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Correct answer is option C. Vitamin K. Question number 17. The smallest blood vessels are called. Correct answer is option C. Capillaries. Question number 18. The blood cells that lack a nucleus are. Correct answer is option B. RBCS. Question number 19. Which organ is referred to as the graveyard of RBCS? Correct answer is option D. Spleen. Question number 20. The percentage of blood volume occupied by red blood cells is called. Correct answer is option A. Hematocrit. Question number 21. The most abundant type of white blood cells is. Correct answer is option A. Neutrophils. Question number 22. Which blood group is considered the universal recipient? Correct answer is option B. AB positive. Question number 23. The Rh factor was first discovered in. Correct answer is option D. Monkeys. Question number 24. Platelets are also known as. Correct answer is option C. Thrombocytes. Question number 25. What percentage of blood is plasma? Correct answer is option B, 55%. Question number 26. The largest white blood cells are. Correct answer is option C, monocytes. Question number 27. The process of blood cell formation is called. Correct answer is option D, hematopoiesis. Question number 28. Blood plasma without clotting factors is called. Correct answer is option A, serum. Question number 29. Which enzyme converts fibrinogen to fibrin during clotting? Correct answer is option A, thrombin. Question number 30. The oxygen carrying capacity of blood is measured by. Correct answer is option C, hemoglobin concentration. Question number 31. Which blood group lacks antigens A and B? Correct answer is option B, O negative. Question number 32. What type of immunity is provided by white blood cells? Correct answer is option D, both B and C. Question number 33. The ruptures of red blood cells is called. Correct answer is option B, hemolysis. Question number 34. Which ion is essential for blood clotting? Correct answer is option B, calcium. Question number 35. The primary site of hematopoiesis in adult is. Correct answer is option C, bone marrow. Question number 36. The condition of having an abnormally low number of platelets is. Correct answer is option D, thrombocytopenia. Question number 37. The iron containing pigment in hemoglobin is called. Correct answer is option A, Heme. Question number 38. Which plasma protein plays a major role in maintaining osmotic pressures? Correct answer is option A, albumin. Question number 39. What is the most abundant protein in blood plasma? Correct answer is option C, albumin. Question number 40. The condition of excess red blood cell production is called. Correct answer is option A, polycythemia. Question number 41. Which organ stores platelets? Correct answer is option D, spleen. Question number 42. The primary function of white blood cells is. Correct answer is option C, immunity and defense. Question number 43. Blood plasma constitutes about what percentage of total blood volume? Correct answer is option B, 55%. Question number 44. Which condition is characterized by reduced white blood cell count? Correct answer is option D, leukopenia. Question number 45. The cells that engulf pathogens are called. Correct answer is option A, phagocytes. Question number 46. What is the main function of fibrin? Correct answer is option B, blood clot formations. Question number 47. The organ responsible for filtering and destroying old red blood cell is. Correct answer is option C, spleen. Question number 48. A person with AB blood group has. Correct answer is option A, both A and B antigens. Question number 49. Hemophilia is caused by a deficiency of. Correct answer is option B, clotting factors. Question number 50. The term etymology refers to the study of. Correct answer is option D, blood.